Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Valvoline and Sparesbox. Don't forget Benny5 on checkout. This week, something a little bit different. We're going full vlog style. I'm shooting this whole thing myself, so apologies if the audio and or the camera work's not amazing, but something pretty cool. We're heading to the US, and you guys are gonna see my trip from Sydney to, or all the way to Indianapolis, and we're gonna go to PRI. Let's do it. Well, this is it, day one of PRI. After about 30 hours of travel, finally got into the Airbnb late last night. So I've decided to start walking down to the convention center. It's not as cold as I was anticipating. Actually, everyone was briefing me up about snow and all sorts of carry on, but yeah, the weather's actually pretty good. Heaps of cool cars already driving around. Third and final day of PRI, just heading into town now. Gonna hit Lucas Oil Stadium and check out all of the big rigs on display at PRI. So we'll cruise around there, have a bit of a look, show you guys what's going down. So I ended up finding a scooter on the side of the road, which you can actually lease using the Uber app in the US, and I think in some parts of Australia as well. So jumped on the old e-scooter, and it'll get me to town a bit quicker. A really cool thing I like about these scooters too is they've actually got a phone holder on them, so you can basically use your phone GPS like you normally would in a car, but yeah, on the scooter, so keeps you being able to navigate on the go. In my travels on this here Lime scooter, I've just come across a Japanese domestic market Hi-Ace Super Custom. We have these in Australia also floating around, but it's pretty cool to see one of these halfway around the world in a left-hand drive market. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. Looks in pretty good condition as well, so hats off to the owner for owning it and looking after it. Well, PRI 2022 is officially in the bag. I've just come back to our accommodation. I'm heading back into town now. I've commandeered another one of these trusty Lime scooters. They're pretty good for getting around town. If you can get access to one of these, I recommend it. It's a bit more fun than an Uber. But yeah, we're gonna head into town, have some dinner. What happened, Christian? I thought we were going to dinner.
This is dinner, right?
This is something. So we're actually playing glow-in-the-dark putt-putt at the moment. Naomi's currently winning because we've had one hole. I was just going for the 2. So Mr. Globby's gonna have a go.
Any hole's a goal.
That's what your dad said.
The green's not in great condition. No one's motored it for a while. Try and rake it out. You'll be right. You're gonna miss anyway. Oh, he's flushed it. Way to go. Oh, so close. That's a 2 all day. So I've made it out here to Fast Times karting tonight. The guys at Sick Mag have got a bit of a go-kart night on. Unfortunately, I wasn't quick enough to register for the racing, but massive thanks to Tom and the guys at Sick Week and Sick Mag for hosting the event. Well, that's a wrap for PRI 2022. Down here at the airport now, basically getting ready to load up and start the journey. So yeah, massive thanks to a lot of guys. Can't thank Golby's guys enough. Both Christian and Naomi spent a lot of time with those guys on this trip. The Kelford guys, yeah, massive thanks to them as well for all the hangouts and good times. Also got to thank Troy Worsley from Warspeed, the Haltech crew, Dale. I probably forgot someone, but it is 4 o'clock in the morning, so please excuse me if I have forgotten you. Yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. Something a little bit different. There's going to be a lot of montagey stuff, or you probably already watched it, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and something a little bit different next week. We're heading to Houston to play with the Cresta and the Mustang. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.